Today is 27th of July 2015, Monday, the first day of the week. The main movement in currencies today was the euro realit, the euro dollar, euro yen, euro Canadian, euro Aussie all spiked up today. The reason being the German IFO business climate was good. There are news which say, for example, German confidence data extend euro rally. Euro starts the week with a bang. And if we look at the chart, euro dollar, as we can see, it spiked up. So I think it will test at least the 20 EMA on the weekly. And euro yen spiked up too, so it might be forming an uptrend. Euro Canadian is already in an uptrend. The question is, how long will this go up? And euro Aussie is also in an uptrend. It all spiked up. And there was one more currency news about Aussie. Plenty of good reasons to think weak Aussie dollar here to stay. So it looks like the Reserve Bank of Australia wants Aussie to stay low. The Aussie dollar is stagnating today. It didn't move much, and it may fall down further. One thing we have to wait and watch is the FOMC meeting happening from today and then coming out on the conference on Wednesday. I think it's just a statement actually, and the funds rate I think will stay at 25.25%. Otherwise, this week the important one to look out is for the Wednesday FOMC statement, and I think the GDP coming out on Thursday, I think, and that's it. But otherwise, in general, the big news for today was the Shanghai stock plunge of 8% plus. So it seems to have affected every market today: US, Europe, Asia. Looking at the Shanghai Stock Exchange index, it's now at 3700. It fell down from 4000 plus today, more than 345 points. But more importantly, I wanted to show something, which is this dip around here seems to be around the 200 moving average. So it rallied up for a while and it fell down for a while. Now from here it may bounce up again, but it's interesting to note that this was bouncing up from around 200 EMA. So this bounce could be a false bounce up and then it could break through again from here. We'll have to wait and watch. And the dollar index today fell down. I saw dollar yen actually fall down today, but that may be because, alright, so sorry, dollar yen fell down today, but I don't think it's to do with dollar weakness. It's more to do with why the Nikkei fell down today. So Nikkei seems to be falling down again, and what else for today? The oil is still falling down. Alright, so Two things I remember. There was a news today of how oil price could fall down to $36 for a barrel. This was the lowest in 2008. Oh, $36 a barrel. So there's still a lot of room to fall down. It's definitely in a bear market territory. It could fall down further. And so the reasoning for this one is the crisis in China, the gaining in strength of US dollar, and the other one is supply glut. So there's a lot of supply of oil from US shale, and also the Saudi Arabia is not cutting production, it seems, and also Iran may be coming on the market too. Gold seems to be stabilizing around this. One analyst said that 1100 may be a median of the gold price from the low of around 300 in 2000 beginning to 1900 in 2011. So 1100 is almost like the median or mean of the high of 1900 and 300 in 2000. So this may stay here for a while. And another news I remember which was interesting was lately we had been discussing of rate rise of Fed coming out in September or in December. But I saw first guy saying he seemed like a guy we could listen to. He must be in his 50s, and not that age mattered, but looked like the guy knows what he's talking about. And he said the rate rise won't be this year, it will be next year. And then I saw one more interview saying that the rate rise is most likely next year, and it won't be this year. So hearing those two guys saying, one was a guy from UBS, I forgot his name, but he said the rate rise will most likely be next year and not this year. So I think those are points to be kept in mind. And I think those are the important ones from today. To summarize for today, the main ones were the stock market plunge in Shanghai Stock Exchange and the Euro rally. Alright, and then we'll come back tomorrow.